This is backyard cow. She loves the garden. And this is beef from a grass-fed cow. Today we are making one of the most underrated dishes you have probably never tried. Bengali-style beef tripe with potatoes. It's a little different, it's spicy and it's super tasty. And I'm going to show you why. Why grass-fed cow is better. Beef from grass-fed cow is not just more natural, it's healthier. This cow eat grass in an open field, so their meat has more omega-3, vitamin E and something called CLA, which is good for your heart and helps reduce inflammation. It also has less bad fat than grain-fed cow, so you get better flavor and better nutrition. Now let's cook. Start by parboiling the beef tripe with a little bit of salt and turmeric powder. This softens it and remove any strong smell. In a heavy pan, heat mustard oil until it just starts to smoke. That gives the real Bengali flavor. Add chopped onion, ginger, garlic and green chili. Cook until golden brown. Time for spices. Turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder and a pinch of garam masala. Mix everything really well. Now add the boiled tripe and small cube potato. Now fry it all together. This part is very important. Let it fry until the oil separated and the potatoes turn golden and soft. This dish is rich, earthy and full of flavor. Every bite has the deep taste of Bengali spices and soft tripe. Serve it hot with plain rice and squeeze of lemon on the top. And remember, using tripe from a grass-fed cow means better taste, better health and better farming. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more traditional and tasty recipes. Happy cooking!